Hey guys, it's Travis here at Palm Harbor Homes in Conroe, Texas, and I've got some exciting news to share with you. At the end of this month, on October 25th and 26th, we are having the biggest sale of the year. We are going to have lenders on site giving instant approvals. We're going to have multiple factory representatives here helping customers, educate them about construction, warranties, all the stuff that you guys want to know. And they're going to be giving special pricing on select model homes we've got featured here on our Conroe Sales Center. We're also going to have our regional vice president over the entire Houston area is going to be here signing off on special discounted pricing for select models. Now this is going to be an open house on October 25th and 26th. We've got a ton of stock model homes that are going to be red tag discounted for the model homes here. We've also got a special gift package here that features 7 really cool items, and we're going to have a live broadcast of K-Star Country 99.7 here on Saturday. Come and see us. We're located right off of 45. It's going to be exit 81. You can find us on Google. Our address is 15396 Interstate 45 South, Conroe, Texas 77384. Visit us on the web at www.conroe.palmharbor.com or give us any questions at our telephone number at 936-273-6565. We're going to have food, drinks. We're going to have a Santa Claus here for the kiddos. We'll see you soon on our Christmas in October. Again, that's October 5th and 26th.